Well, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today, it's gonna be a little bit different. We're not filling feeders or playing with chickens. I gotta get some road work done. One of the things about ranches is you have to maintain, and we've had some serious rain this last month or two, and we had 5.5 inches one night. It was a gully washer, and it ruined part of my road by the gate, the main gate down the hill, and I've got to get that fixed. We got a lot of people coming over next week, getting ready for the 4th of July party that we're having, and I've got to get it done. So I'm gonna get the old tractor fired up today, move some dirt around. I'll take you along for some of it because it's gonna be boring, I know. And then later today I'll see if I can film some cooking. I got some steak picanha out. It's gonna be exciting. So without further ado, let's get the old girl fired up. Or not. I wonder if Ice Cream Garage worked on this. I mean, Moses' sandals. Everything's got to be a fight around here. Well, let me get my thunder cables and we'll get her going. Huch House Ranch. Well, we're back. Cables engaged. Bring the thunder. Not enough. Almost enough. Okay, it's been a little bit. Bringing the thunder. Almost. Alright, hopefully it's been long enough. Bring the thunder. Oh, there's some shade though. Hydration, a well-used Yeti. This could be a short video if we can't get it running. And I'll be doing it with the wheelbarrow. It's always something, and it's already hot. I'm gonna try to stay at least a little decent today. It's 9 o'clock and it's getting close to 80. It's gonna be in the 90s. That's why I wanted to get this done a little early, so we can get on with better things. George Strait's doing today. Although if we can't get her started, we can start drinking beer earlier and relaxing. It's a benefit. Come on, darling. Wiggles out. Let's go. Alright. Come on, darling. Nada. Warm up, I gotta get a few tools, put in the bucket, head down, and start on the road. We're back. Hopefully you can hear me over this. So I'm not going to record much. So we got our tools loaded. We got a few extra rocks because I'm going to put some rock in it before I put the base over it. And we're going to go down the hill. This is what I'm talking about, all the way up. All the way down. So this is what we're going to be working on. You guys didn't notice I'm not wearing Crocs today. I got my boots on. On to more dirt. I'll bring you down there so you can take a look at what we're doing. Here we go. Taking my tractor on another round, another round. Let's fire it up. This is my scoop some best we can, shovel the rest, because it's kind of at a weird angle. And I don't want to get stuck down there in case there's any wet parts still. We will show.
Call dad strength, good old man strength, good old man dexterity.
Alright, we'll finish this. I'll get back with you in a minute. So I'm getting a picture of some of the ducks out here just having a grand old time. What are y'all doing? Y'all hanging out in the shade? I wish I could do that. Alright, I'll leave y'all alone. Onward. For more dirt. Welcome back. Yeah. A couple, 2.5 hours later. It is getting extremely hot. So we're gonna call it a day. But look at that. She is patched up for now. She's been tampered. So we'll see the next time it rains how much washes out. Just road maintenance. You always got to do it. Well, that's it for this part. Welcome back. Just getting the charcoal going. Gonna do some steak picanhas, some sausage, some shrimp, while the Mrs. does the Brussels sprouts, and I think she's doing mashed potatoes. It's gonna be good. But this is what I love coming out here when I'm grilling, after we feed the animals, make our rounds, and just watch and see what comes out. And of course, when it's in season, we can see what we really did by feeding them all year. But I'm gonna bring you along as I do the cook. I didn't show you my seasonings. It's a family recipe. I don't need Guga stealing it. He thinks he knows steak. And he does some weird stuff. But I guarantee my steak could possibly be better. Although he is considered an internet expert, or whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna bring you back when I get this loaded in, once it's finally started. It's got a few more minutes. It's gonna be good. Well, the charcoal's ready. I'm gonna set you down and hopefully, oh, you can't see nothing. Anyways, look at that goodness. Pepper sirloin, some shrimpies. That's the star of the show right there. Out of the fire best we can. Let the goodness just sit for a minute. Alright, now that we got the char on them that I like, we're going to set them outside the charcoal range and let them just cook until they're about 125, 130, and we'll pull them off. And we're going to get these sirloins going next. And we're going to have to do something awful to that piece of meat for my wife, who likes her stuff well done. I know. Put the comments down below about how awful that is. Yeah, baby. Coming along. Alright, steaks are almost done. We're waiting on Mama's. This is going to flame up real quick. A little butter on these shrimp. Char that grill a little more. And let's calm it down. Almost there. Alright, nearing the end. Get these shrimp off. And that's almost a wrap. Doesn't that look amazing? It's gonna be. But I'm not gonna be able to film it inside. We have a special guest over. It is one of my best friend's sons that's visiting, and I'm respecting them. They don't like their children to be on social media, which I totally get. So I'm gonna end this now. Tomorrow, I think we're gonna try to get into the goats and ducks, but we have to do it early before it's just so ungodly hot. And I got a couple more things to do up at the road, but I was done today. It was way too hot. You obviously saw the amount of leakage that I had. That's Texas in the summertime for you, when you have to do road maintenance. With all that said and done though, I'm gonna go enjoy, and I'll see you down the road.